Timor-Leste is strengthening its readiness to host major regional meetings following its accession into ASEAN. And so, following the first National Council meetings to prepare for ASEAN presidency yesterday, which was chaired by His Excellency Prime Minister Shanana Gusmao, today the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation, through the Directorate General for ASEAN Affairs, holds a 3-day workshop on hosting ASEAN conferences and meetings starting today, the 24th, till the 26th of February, here at the Salão Nobre at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation, Delhi.
As Timor-Leste advances its journey towards integration into ASEAN, full integration with the ASEAN, and it's very important for us to be ready and in order to effectively host ASEAN meetings. So it's not only a technical requirement, but strategic national responsibility. So hosting ASEAN meetings demands strong coordination, clear leadership, professionalism, and a deep understanding of ASEAN way of hosting a meeting.
The initiative is organized in coordination with the Japan International Cooperation Agency, Timor-Leste, and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Lao People's Democratic Republic.
Japan has long been supported the Timor-Leste for the accession to the ASEAN, from the wide-ranging from the infrastructure building and also capacity building like this today.
The workshop aims to strengthen the capacity of Timor-Leste's officials in organizing and managing ASEAN-related engagements, including preparations for the country's ASEAN chairmanship in 2029.
I do expect that the participants would be able to learn from our experience of those important chairmanships that we have gone through, especially on the expecting topics like how to chair the meeting, how to cope with the difficulties on balancing, the major countries when it comes to the dialogue partner relations, and how to organize the meeting when our capacity, especially on the logistic things, was not as ready or was not on the standard of hosting the regional conferences. And on the topic of how we mobilize our human resources and also how to secure the security matters as well. And I do hope that those lessons will contribute to Timor-Leste fully engagement or integration into ASEAN family.
So present here at the workshop today was His Excellency, the Ambassador of Japan to Timor-Leste, Mr. Yamamoto Yasushi, as well as the Director General for ASEAN Affairs, Ms. Elisa da Silva, as well as two speakers, which was the Director General of ASEAN Department of Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Laos, as well as the Deputy Director General of ASEAN Department from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Laos PDR. And so senior officials of the ASEAN socio-cultural community pillar and its sectoral bodies have been invited to nominate 4 participants for this workshop. And so this program forms part of Timor-Leste's continued efforts to enhance institutional preparedness for high-level regional meetings.